Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
You okay? That was all my fault.
Yeah, I know. I tell you, stop doing that.
Scusami, oh! Che cazzo voglio, mortacci? Però?
Oh no.
Hello. How you doing? I didn't think it was going to do that, officer. I was in second gear. It's a freaking Harley. It just came up on me.
You're like my 15-year-old son. Really bad liar. I used to ride motorcycles, and that was clearly intentional. My intent is not to write you guys tickets.
I would love that.
My intent is to make sure you guys are riding safe.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And then endangering other people's safety, especially when you may think that you're a badass, popping wheelies and shit like that. Next thing you know, you hit a pothole or a groove in the roadway.
Yeah.
And you lose it, and then you drift into oncoming traffic.
Right.
Yeah, not good.
Yeah.
You guys at least have your driver's license.
Yes,
Yep.
sir. It's in my back pocket. Can I reach for it? Okay.
Your endorsements,
Yep.
insurance, all that good stuff.
My insurance is on my phone.
There is driver's license and my insurance is in this bag.
Go ahead, drop it. As long as you guys are gentlemen with me, good to me, I'm going to be good to you, and I'm going to be a gentleman with you.
I got my insurance.
When you sped in front, was that in second gear too?
Do what?
When you sped, when you made the turn first.
Oh, and I took off?
Yeah, that was all in second gear, right? Just say yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was all second gear. Here's all that. I wish it was second gear.
So, you guys just do me a favor. Be safe. Okay.
We got you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in this world and in these dangerous, excellent Tulsa roadways,
Yeah.
anything can happen.
Yeah.
Because I ride in a police car and on a motorcycle myself. So just be careful. Got any questions?
Well, we'd really like a sanctioned area. Where
Yeah, I mean, what? Do you have an idea for that?
No,
Yeah, I think we're good.
and like I said, I don't need to beat you guys up with
Yeah,
reasons and stuff like that. But like I said, anything can happen.
yeah,
well, thanks for not
yeah. We appreciate you.
blowing our wallets.
For everybody.
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
But the biggest thing is, you know, just being kind to one another, making sure everybody's safe.
yeah,
I think that's the biggest thing. You
yeah.
know what I mean? Yeah. All right.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Be safe.
Okay.
Oh, there's a bee on my outside of my helmet. Oh, stay calm. You want to pull over? Yes. Oh, car.
Just stay calm.
Okay. All right, I'm staying calm. Staying calm.
Stay calm.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna
Get off.
jump off.
Get off. Oh, I don't know where it is. Oh shit. Oh, I don't know where it is.
Alex, get over here.
I'm not moving. Oh shit. Oh, it won't get off.
Alex, get up.
It won't get off.
Right towards me.
Oh god.
Can you right towards me?
No. I'm gonna take it off.
Where's the bee?
I'm gonna take my helmet off. I know.
No! Right towards me and I'll dust it off.
Oh god, no. No, it's gonna be on the outside, I hope. No, it's on the inside. God, it was on the inside.
It was up inside?
Wrapping your arms in.
Questo è Valerio! Porca due che lungo! Bro! God damn it! Are you good, bro? Man. Alright, guys, well, we're about to head back to town. Had an accident, guys. Homie looped out trying to do a wheelie. Kind of bent the rim a little bit. Messed that up. Messed that too. Yeah, that's done, yeah. He did that, he did this. Exhaust a little bit. Loading his bike up. It took 9 people to lift it.
Easy like that, yeah.
So pit stop real quick till we get this situated, and then we're back on the road.
Cái cạnh nó bén quá mà. Ngựa không vậy?
Con ngựa.
Ngựa mà đã thấy không ngựa mà.
Vừa bị trầy da vừa bị cắn này. Nó cắn đấy.
Why you on me like that? You on my ass, like, man. Do you want to get f***ed up right now or not? Well, I'm gonna go. Oh, I'm gonna go. No, that's the problem. That's how you should do. Bitch, I ain't playing. I ain't got time for no bullshit. Bring the madness.